is pouring, the old man is snoring today. So come up with me, why don't we get caught in the rain? Everyone gets caught in the rain every once in a while, once in a while. Everybody battles a storm sometime. Pitter, pitter, patter, patter. I can see the storm in your eyes, and it's clouding your smile, clouding your smile. But you can leave that old umbrella behind. Whoa, whoa, when you're caught in the rain, caught in the rain with me, you'll remember again how beautiful rain can be. We'll be laughing little children at play as it washes all the sadness away. When you're caught in the rain, caught in the rain with me. Everyone forgets there's a child hiding deep down inside, deep down inside, helping us discover our world anew, helping us discover now, keeping us from growing too old, far ahead of our time, ahead of our time. And I could be a child forever with you. Whoa, whoa, when you're caught in the rain, caught in the rain, you'll find all those rainy day dreams that yesterday left behind. Dreams that yesterday, as the raindrops play their sweet melody, you'll be slipping down a rainbow with me. When you're caught in the rain, caught in the rain with me. And if we should take a bold chance on a rainy day romance, as the lightning plays a strobe dance for two, let the storm close in around us, till the sun again has found us. I'll be dancing in the rain, laughing in the rain, loving the rain. And you, and you. Once in a while, I can see the storm in your eyes, and it's clouding your smile, clouding your smile. But you can leave that old umbrella behind. Whoa, whoa, when it's treasure you seek, the end of